In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications in the system. So this is how you can receive notifications within the system and to your own email inbox when an action takes place within the system. So if someone makes a new order, you'll be able to receive notifications about that. When a new ticket is submitted to the help desk, you can receive notifications about that as well. And there's quite a few more. So let's go ahead and look at how to set up these notifications and to specify which notifications you would like to receive. So to set up your notifications, what we're going to do is navigate up here to the top right-hand side and click on the notification bell. And to customize what notifications we are going to receive in the system, we're simply going to click on the settings icon over here. And here you can change your notification settings. So currently we are receiving notifications for blog post comments, form submissions, order comments, orders, product reviews, ticket comments, and tickets. So pretty much everything you can receive a notification for in the system, you are currently receiving notifications for. But you can go ahead and customize these entirely. So if you don't want to receive blog post comments, for example, you can go ahead and simply turn that off. You won't receive notifications anytime someone posts a blog post comment. You can also just turn off whichever ones you don't want to receive notifications for. But you'll also notice that as I turn these off, these little gear icons disappear because each of these actually have their own advanced settings. So if I come here to my blog post comments, I can go to my advanced settings and I can choose to enable or disable email notifications. So this means that the system is then going to either send me a notification to my email inbox when this particular action happens in the system or not. So if I go ahead and enable this, it's then going to send that particular email to me for this particular notification. And I can also come over here and I can filter the notifications that are being sent to me. So I can go ahead and enable this and I can choose which blog posts, I don't have any, but I can choose which blog posts I specifically want to receive notifications for. So I'm going to go ahead and disable those filters and I'm going to go back. So now I'll receive emails for my blog post comments. So you'll see here a little thing that says emails enabled. And you can do this in each different type. So again, form submissions, you can go ahead and enable your emails. You can create a filter and choose which forms you would like to receive notifications for when someone submits those notifications or, well, submits that form. All right, so that is how you can go ahead and customize the notifications. Your staff users are also able to customize what notifications they would like to receive. So if I go ahead and save those and I then navigate over to my staff user, Zark, who is still logged in, and Zark comes up here to his notifications, he can also click on the settings and you'll see that he has limited settings available here for what he can receive notifications for. But he can also go in and choose to receive those email notifications. He's not able to filter those notifications for this one. For his orders, he's also not able to filter. So you'll see that there are a few different things that are going to apply to each of the different settings, but that is how that appears differently for him. Now, if I navigate back to the main admin area, and let's say that I have a new user who is going to submit a help desk ticket. So I'm just going to create a new contact quickly by navigating over to contacts. I'm going to create a new contact. Let's go with Betty White. Betty@demo.com and hit save. I'm then going to give her some login details. I'm going to reset her password and hit reset password. I then want to log in as Betty in the system. So I'm going to come up here and log in quickly. So Betty@demo.com, log in. And if I come here to my account and submit a support ticket, and submit that. When I navigate back to the admin area and I just come home, I just need to wait a second for that notification to come through. You'll see that that notification bell has a little notification over there. I can open that and view that notification. If I click on it, it will take me directly to that part of the system where the notification has taken place. You'll also notice that I can mark all of them as read. Well, you could have seen that there before I clicked on it, but when you click on it, it will take you exactly to where that action has happened within the system for you to then deal with. So that is how you can set up notifications within the system and how you can receive personalized notifications for specific actions that are taking place within your system. So if you want to receive notifications every time someone places a new order in the system, then you can go ahead and do that right here. In the next video, I am going to show you how to set up some other system specifications like your system currency, setting up integrations, and creating payment methods. So I will see you in the next video.